Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about the M4 chip crisis in Apple. So let's get started. First thing first, Apple M4 is an ARM-based system on a chip SoC designed by Apple Inc. Part of the Apple Silicon series, including a central processing unit, a graphics processing unit, a neural processing unit, and a digital signal process. M4 has Apple's fastest neural engine ever, capable of up to 38 trillion operations per second, which is faster than the neural processing unit of any AI PC today. So M4 chip was released in May 7, 2024. So M4 delivers up to 1.5x faster CPU performance over the powerful M2 in the previous iPad Pro, whether working with the complex orchestral music files in Logic Pro or adding highly demanding effects to 4K video in LumaFusion. M4 boosts performance across pro workflows. So it is the most demanded chip in Apple. Apple also claims that the M4 chip is roughly 50% faster than the M2 processor and M3 processor that you will find in the incoming Apple iPad Air models as well as older MacBooks and iMacs from 2022. The M4 silicon specs confidently tout improved branch prediction, next-gen ML accelerators, and a deeper execution engine according to Apple. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.